Take a ride in the 2019 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.